Glenn Warner, GorillaMaker.com. So you have your brand new GM3D 200, taking it out of the box. You followed all the other videos. Now it comes to the power supply. Take this out of the box. You're going to unwrap it. Take your side cutters. You're going to come over here and cut that little band off or untwist it, whatever feels friendly to you. Make sure you do not nick the power cable. You have a supplied power extension cord that plugs in the back. It's keyed. We're going to use the one on our bench. You would unwrap yours and do the same thing. And we're going to come around to the back of the printer and plug it in for the very first time. So that K plug right there plugs into that hole. You'll hear the printer go beep when you apply power. And now we're going to come around to the front. This is the default screen that you should come into every time when you power it up, unless you've lost power or had an issue during a print job. So from here, the first thing we want to do now, since we've turned on your brand new printer, we've already checked to make sure things are tight during shipping. We made sure the end stops were okay. We made sure everything in the printer's okay. No peanuts in the back. We put our spool holders on, our spool filament runner to the hot end. The first thing we want to make sure is, does the printer work correctly? So we're going to press this menu button right here, right next to the printer button. When we press that, we're going to come all the way over to here, which is our home button. When we press that, we're going to see the bed go down, go to the right, go to the back, come back to the front, go down, the light goes off, then it comes up and hits that sensor. So when it hits that sensor, it's just making sure the height is okay. And now it's done. So you've done the most basic test possible. You made sure your printer turned on. You made sure it homed properly. You know your buttons worked right. You're going to see that back button right there. We're going to come back out of the menu, go back to the what we call the home screen, and your printer's ready for the next step.